Hello students, today we are going to study about the methods of preparation of alcohol. The second method of preparation of alcohol, it is by reduction of carboxylic acid. For the reduction of carboxylic acid, we have to use the strong reducing agent, that is LiAlH4. Okay. First of all, we will see the general reaction are COOH. COOH, it is the functional group of carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid on reduction with LiAlH4. LiAlH4, it is lithium aluminium hydride. It is an example of complex hydride. The reduction with lithium aluminium hydride, it requires second step, that is acid hydrolysis, H3O plus. This H3O plus we can write as H2O and H plus also. Protonated water or hydrolysis in presence of acid hydrolysis. The reduction with LiAlH4, next it requires the acid hydrolysis. That means carboxylic acid on reduction with LiAlH4 and successive acid hydrolysis, it gives RCH2OH. That means here COOH group, it is converted into CH2OH. It is 1 degree or primary alcohol. Now here we will see the particular example. For example, CH3COOH, that is acetic acid. When acetic acid, it undergoes reduction with LiAlH4 and successive acid hydrolysis. Reduction, first of all, reduction with LiAlH4 and successive acid hydrolysis, it will produce CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol. This ethyl alcohol, it is 1 degree or primary alcohol. Okay. Now here, the benefit of using lithium aluminium hydride as reducing agent, that is here using LiAlH4 we can prepare unsaturated alcohols. Unsaturated alcohols. That means LiAlH4 जो आहे, it reduces only the C double bond O group in the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid मधला हा carbonyl group जो आहे C double bond O, this only C double bond O, it is converted into CH2OH group. But if the R group here, if the R group, it contains carbon-carbon double bond, that means the carboxylic acid, it becomes unsaturated carboxylic acid. असं जर असेल, then the lithium aluminium hydride, this one, this lithium aluminium hydride, it will not reduce the carbon-carbon double bond which is present in the R group of carboxylic acid. असं असल्यामुळे काय होतं, हा लिथियम ॲल्युमिनियम हायड्राइड जो आहे तो आर ग्रुपमध्ये असणारा कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड जो आहे तो रिड्यूस करत नाही. देअरफॉर हियर वी ऑब्टेन अनसॅच्युरेटेड अल्कोहोल. हियर वी सी द एक्झाम्पल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल CH3 CH double bond CHCOOH. It is carboxylic acid group, functional group of carboxylic acid. But in this example, there is carbon-carbon double bond between, it is R group. या R group मध्ये हा carbon-carbon double bond आहे. It is protonic acid. और IUPAC name of this compound, it is 1 2 3 4 चार कार्बन ॲटमचा पॅरेंट अल्केन कोणता, ब्युटेन. ब्युटेनचा हा कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड म्हणजे हा ब्युटॅनॉइक ॲसिड. ब्युटॅनॉइक ॲसिडमध्ये 2 नंबर कार्बन ॲटमला हा कार्बन ॲटम फर्स्ट असणार, कारण इथं फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे, पेरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे. therefore it is the position number 1 and it is position number 2. 2 number position ला carbon carbon double bond है, therefore IUPAC name of this compound it is 2-butanoic acid. Butanoic, but 2-in-oic acid किंवा but 2-enoic acid. When this compound it undergo reduction with LiAlH4, when this protonic acid undergo reduction with LiAlH4 and successive acid hydrolysis, here we get CH3 CH double bond CH CH2OH. या इथे तुम्ही बघू शकता हा शेवटचा COOH ग्रुप जो आहे, this COOH group only it is converted into CH2OH group. The carbon carbon double bond it remains as it is, therefore this obtained alcohol it is unsaturated alcohol. Okay, the name of this compound it is protonyl alcohol. It is protonyl alcohol, or we can write here but 2-in-1-OL. but 2-in-1-OL. Why? हा कार्बन फर्स्ट पोजिशन नंबर 1, पोजिशन नंबर 2, एकूण 4 कार्बन ॲटम, 4 कार्बन ॲटमचा ब्युटेन, या ब्युटेनमध्ये 2 नंबर कार्बनला डबल बॉन्ड, देअरफॉर इट इज ब्यूट 2-in, त्याच्यामध्ये 1 नंबर कार्बनला अल्कोहोल, देअरफॉर इट इज ब्यूट 2-in-1-OL. OL म्हणजे अल्कोहोलचा फंक्शनल ग्रुप IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर प्रमाणे. This name we can write also as but 2-enol. पोजिशन नंबर 1 जी आहे ती सेपरेट न लिहिता आपण हे डायरेक्टली इनॉल या पद्धतीने सुद्धा लिहू शकतो. इट इज ब्यूट 2-enol. या ठिकाणी आपण काय बघितलं, युजिंग LiAlH4. इट इज इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ युजिंग LiAlH4 फॉर रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. We can prepare unsaturated alcohol. Now here we can see that as the lithium aluminum hydride is expensive catalyst, it is expensive catalyst. Commercially the alcohols from carboxylic acids are prepared by this method. First of all, the carboxylic acids are converted into esters, and then the esters on hydrogenation they will give the primary alcohol. Here I will show the general example as COOH. It is carboxylic acid. First of all, it is converted in ester by reaction with alcohol, carboxylic acid and alcohol. They react with each other and they form RCOO R dash plus H2O, that is ester. First of all, the carboxylic acid and alcohol react with each other, it will produce ester. In second step, this ester, that means RCOO R dash, this on hydrogenation. Hydrogenation, it is carried out in presence of catalyst nickel or palladium. Here hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. This addition of hydrogen it is carried out in presence of catalyst nickel or palladium. या दोन्ही पैकी कोणताही एक कॅटलिस्ट आपण यूज करू शकतो. Here R CH2OH plus R dash OH. That means here we obtain primary or 1-degree alcohol from carboxylic acid. It is possible from carboxylic acid to prepare primary or 1-degree alcohol using this method also, because direct reduction with LiAlH4 it is expensive. Therefore commercially alcohols from carboxylic acid they are prepared by this method. Now here it is the general reaction. We can see or we will see the particular reaction here. If such carboxylic acid, that is CH3COOH, it is acetic acid. Acetic acid, if it react with methyl alcohol, if it react with methyl alcohol, it will produce CH3 COO CH3 plus H2. Here what happens? This CH3 it gets combined with COO, and H and OH it is liberated as water molecule. Here we get methyl acetate. Esters are named as ATE. Alkane, ANE suffix from alkane, it is replaced by ATE in case of esters. CH3COOH इथं आपण लिहिलं ॲसेटिक ॲसिड, ॲसेटिक ॲसिडचा एस्टर आहे आणि त्याला हा मिथाइल ग्रुप अटॅच आहे, देअरफॉर इट इज मिथाइल ॲसिटेट. दिस मिथाइल ॲसिटेट on hydrogenation, that means addition of hydrogen. Here 2 molecules of hydrogen are required. This reduction or hydrogenation it takes place in presence of nickel or palladium as catalyst. Here we obtain CH3 CH2 OH plus CH3OH, that is mixture of 2 alcohol. हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहे याच्यामध्ये कारण हा कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड पासून मिळालेला आहे. इट इज इथाइल अल्कोहोल आणि हा मिथाइल अल्कोहोल. हा अल्कोहोल ग्रुप जो आहे तो इथलाच आहे, हाच ग्रुप इथं पुन्हा किंवा हाच कंपाऊंड इथं परत येतोय, परंतु हा जो अल्कोहोल आहे मिळणारा इट इज फ्रॉम दिस कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड किंवा या कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड पासून मिळणारा हा अल्कोहोल. इट इज 1 degree or primary alcohol. Okay. From this reaction we can conclude that if we have to prepare the alcohol from carboxylic acid at commercial base or commercial scale, then we have to first convert the carboxylic acid into ester, and then the ester on hydrogenation it will give the corresponding primary alcohol. Okay, thank you.